Alright guys, this is with the upper intake off of the motor now. We've disconnected it here and removed the intake. At this time you can go ahead and take your bolts out of your valve cover gasket running along the side. Wiggle that out just a little bit and it'll come out and you can replace your gasket there. I have done so. See the blue new gasket. Also you'll remove this bracket here. Two bolts holding it on here. Remove it, just lay it to the side and this whole thing will come up and you can do what you need to do. On your valve rod gasket, located down here on this side, if you can see down in this area here, the valve rod cover gasket, you'll want to remove your distributor cap and you lay it up here out of the way. Mark your distributor with some paint marker. Mark it where it's pointing. Remove the nut at the bottom in this area right here. Pull your distributor straight out. You'll be able to access those bolts holding that side plate on. Put your new gasket on, put it back together and slide your distributor back in place and never have to use a timing light to reset your time. If you'll mark everything and take your time and be gentle with it, it'll go right back in place. So this is where we are to this point. As always, remember to remove the battery cable before you ever start.